Miss RDRD France, to be presented by Mr. Joseph Lindo. Our Miss RDRD France is candidate number 3. And Miss RDRD France. And to present the award, I'd like to call on Mr. Joseph Lindo. We have prepared a lot of minor awards tonight to be given by these beautiful ladies. So lahat kayo ay, I'm sure, may mauuwing prizes at its stake. And of course, aside from the cash prize later on. So good luck, ladies. Next award is Miss Rufina Square. Our Miss Rufina Square is candidate number 5. To be presented by our Honorable Counselor, Mr. Joel Jose Carrera. Again, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Rufina Square, candidate number 5. Is Miss Carding's Choice Award. And we have 2 winners for this award, and that will be candidate number 14 and number 4, to be presented by Mr. Bernard Dumalanta. Again, ladies and gentlemen, our Carding's Choice Award, candidate number 4 and number 14. And to present the award, we have Mr. Bernard Dumalanta. Congratulations, girls! Our Carding's Choice Award. Next award is Miss Shinba. Miss Shinba is candidate number 16. To be presented by Honorable Valero. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Shinba is candidate number 16. Congratulations. Next is Miss Calon. Our Miss Calon is candidate number 1. Congratulations. To be presented by Councilor Jared Alivio. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Calon is candidate number 1. is Miss Hugabee Cafe. And this award goes to candidate number 14.
Jalen, sayaw na kayo.
To be presented by Mr. Alfonso Madriaga. Again, our Miss Hugabee Cafe is candidate number 14. And to award this award, we have Mr. Alfonso Madriaga. Next award is Miss Ducky, to be awarded by Mom Teresa. Our Miss Ducky is candidate number 3. And to present the award, we have Mom Teresa Victoria. Next award is Miss Natasha, Make Your Dreams Come True. And that is coming from candidate number 15. To award Miss Natasha, let me call once again Miss Tricia Victorio. We have lots of sponsorship and minor awards tonight. Of course, thank you very much to all our benefactors for your generosity and being part of the celebration of 2020 Sigay Festival. Next award is AIE Choice Award. And this is coming from candidate number 12. To present the award, let me call on Mr. John Chris Fuentes. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss AIE Choice Award, candidate number 12. Congratulations to our well-deserved winner for that award. Next award is Miss Norseman. Miss Norseman is candidate number 15. And to award, we have Mrs. Melanie de Guzman Bo. Again, our Miss Norseman is candidate number 15. Next award is Miss Charm Choice Award, to be presented by Mr. Richard Rabara. Our Charm Choice Award goes to candidate number 8. Ma'am Melanie Soriano. And our Miss Herbalife is candidate number 18. Next award. Congratulations to our Miss Herbalife. Next award is Miss Glamorosa Bridal Salon by Adrian Sorio. Our Gandang Glamorosa is candidate number 17. Let's call on Mr. Adrian Soriano to present the award. We have another winner for Glamorosa Choice Award. That will be from candidate number 4. Congratulations to our two ladies, number 4 and number 17. Our Gandang Glamorosa by Adrian Sorio. Congratulations. Congratulations, our Gandang Glamorosa 2020. Next award is Miss Mango Fruit Shake, to be awarded by President Bryson Soriano. Our Miss Mango Fruit Shake is candidate number 4. Congratulations. Our first set of minor awards is Miss Sesca's Balloon, to be presented by President Erica De Leon. Our Sesca's Balloon is candidate number 14. Our 2020 Sesca's Balloon is candidate number 14. And after this award, we will be announcing our top 12. So from 18, we'll be trimming down to 12 candidates. So let's see if your favorite girl made it to the next level. Thank you very much. Our ladies, konting rest muna backstage because we have prepared something